afternoon, Vietnam. Let's go. We're red on the day. We've got red and we've got dumpage, carnage, death. We've got them all. We've got them all today. Hopefully we can get a close above the freaking 21 SMA. I'm here, boys, and I'm YOLOing in life savings. No, my life savings are already YOLO'd in. Well, not really YOLO, but you know what I mean. But we're kind of it's kind of scary territory. So I don't want to make everybody, I don't want to scare everybody. But here's the facts. It's looking. I mean, we got 40 minutes left. Anything can happen. But right now we're below the 21 SMA on the daily. So that sucks ass. That's obviously, that's a sell signal. That's a bearish trend. So, it's not what you want to see. It's not what you want to see. But I do want to say that here's what I think, okay? I think one thing that I know is that if this continues dipping, I'm going to add shares. I saw a comment today on the Discord. It said, here, let me go over here. It said, what was it? It said, the market thinks Bionano is not worth the current price or something. Yeah, the market thinks the current price is a bit too expensive. The quarter earnings are really good. Okay, so I just want to say, I think this is why Bionano is down. I think it's basically high growth, mostly. But now, don't get me wrong, okay? People not knowing what's happened the last few weeks, not knowing what's happened the last few days, or even today, right? We got the Sapphire adoption and acquisition. Well, that was 4 days ago technically, but acquisition potential. No one knows those things. But I also think high growth has just gotten killed a very immense amount, and I think that the markets, relative to what the markets have done, high growth has sucked ass. That's as simple as it gets. I think that high growth will bounce and correct towards the markets. You can't have, and this is that rubber band effect, man. This is it. All right, make your own decisions, but I did go ahead and add Bionano shares. Well, add Bionano shares. I think I bought how many shares I get. I got 8 shares on the Roth IRA account. I did take profits on marks. I mean, I'm up 18%. When did I buy this? Yesterday or 2 days ago? I don't know. Whenever I bought this week, and I'm up 20% already. So I did take profits there, and I put them in BNGO at what was it? I think it was 721. Yeah, average price 721. I do think, and I will actually add real shares on my real account. I will. All right. I got how many shares can I buy? Right. Let's see. Hold on, let me go. Let's say we were to go down to $6, okay? Let's say, let's say we were to go down 6 flat, bear case, right? How many shares am I able to buy at $6? Okay, 1,200, and that's what you're gonna see from me. I'm gonna do that. That's as simple as it gets. And I am taking a big risk, right? Whatever. Okay, you think that whatever. Oh my God, look at the volume today. The volume is horrible today. Oh. 8 million, that's awful. But I am going to be adding that ton of shares. I do think we're due for a bounce in the upward direction. Here's the thing, guys. The rubber band effect, I know it's boring, but it's very important. You can't have the markets going straight up with high growth going down or even a little bit up. Everything has a rubber band, so to speak, attached, because it's for the reason being is this, okay? If you're right in recovery stocks or whatever stocks are doing well today, right? Whatever it is, NASDAQ, okay, whatever stocks are doing the best, right? Let's say it's recovery stocks, okay? If you're up here and high growth is here, a lot of the people holding this stuff, they're going to take profits and get the freaking, because this thing's way higher than this is, okay? That's as simple as it is. That's literally, there's nothing else to say. Now, me, Kevin, can probably give you a more simple explanation and probably more in-depth, but that's essentially what it is. And just think of it this way, if that doesn't make sense. Everything is correlated a little bit, and if the markets continue to go up, high growth has to bounce, okay? It has to. At one point or another, it has to have a huge bounce and try to correct up towards more of a value that's similar to the markets, I think. So I've been dude. I mean, this week has. I mean, to be honest with you, you guys have been here, okay? You guys know though this week has sucked ass, and this week has been boring. I mean, we've got a couple good pieces of news, cool pieces of news today. Today it was cool. Today we had some cool stuff, but the price actually wasn't cool at all. But it's been a very slow couple weeks. Ever since here, let me go to the daily chart and show you. All right, I mean, I don't even need to tell you, okay? You probably already know. It's just been slow since we got the CCO and news. The CBO news didn't do anything for us. The Sapphire adoption that we just got, nothing. The job listing, the director of business systems, nothing. Russell 3000 run up or pre-anticipatory running, we haven't got any of that, And I think, and this is with the NASDAQ, and remember, this is with the broader markets, all of that, what I just said, that's with the markets going way up. this is kind of how you build a case, and this is kind of why I'm adding shares. I did add, I added like 30 shares the other day, earlier in the week when we were at like 719, I think it was 719. But I think that my predictions for tomorrow just joined. Sorry, I've already mentioned. So yeah, predictions for tomorrow is, I don't really have necessarily a prediction for tomorrow, but I just know that if high growth continues not doing what the markets are doing, like the Nasdaq, the S&P, the Dow Jones, okay, there's going to be a correction. The biggest reason why Bionano has done shitty this week is this watch list right here, right? High growth stocks. Now, of course, these are not the only high growth stocks out there, but these are like the main ones, I would say. Okay, I'd say this is a pretty accurate watch list. All right, now, of course, you got some meme ones in here. You got some short interest Wall Street bets one in here as well. But I mean, look at this, okay? The markets are up like 1%. The freaking Russell's up over 1%. The Dow's up almost 1%. High growth is like half and half. It's like, what? What? This has been going on all week. How, Brandon? The rubber band effect is supposed to be taking effect. I know. It's weird that it's not yet, but it will inevitably. And I think it's going to be a strong... I don't want to get everybody... Okay, make your own decision, please, and realize there's risk. But I talked about this earlier, and I'm going to talk about it again. It's very important, okay? Let me maximize the chart. All right, just high growth's valuation was here on February 16th. Okay, this is the markets. This is high growth, okay? They're even on February 16th, right here, this date right here, okay? Let me zoom in here. Hold on, let me run the program real quick. I'm sorry, it does this thing every once in a while. It's annoying. Okay, there we go. Let me go back there. All right. So, right here, right? High growth NASDAQ equal levels. Since then, right, and that was when Bionano was 15. That was in Nano Dimensions 18. Microvision was like 24. Okay, you know what I mean, right? The highs of high growth. Ever since then, we've tested all-time highs twice, and right now we've broken above all-time highs in the broader markets in the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. Most of the other broader markets are really very close. Okay, and nowadays, right, high growth. This is high growth. Okay, markets are even higher. High growth is literally, listen to this, understand this, please, half. By and large, okay, it's not like a scientific measurement. I wish there was like one one index that tracked the exact stocks that I'm talking about here. But I would just say, based on what I've seen, at least they're at, I mean, very conservatively, high growth is trading at more or around a 25% premium to February 16th levels. And that's with the NASDAQ being super high. And think of this as well. It's also with all of the high growth stocks, not all of them, but a lot of them, like Bionano themselves, fundamentally increasing their value exponentially. Think about that. I mean, that and throw in the fact that we've got the Russell 3000 inclusion and the short interest has exploded. You know, that's the bull case. That's the bull side of the argument. And I've never heard anyone. Have you guys ever even heard that valuation thing with the Nasdaq? It's so weird. You can say, and the thing is, the bears might point out like, oh, you know, Brandon, they were pumped up. There was so much hype. That's why they were worth so much. They're not actually worth that much. You know, I think maybe a little. You can explain a little bit of the discrepancy like that, but not a lot. It's because exponential increases in the fundamental value of most of the high growth stocks since February 16th, and we're still trading at 25% premium. Plus, the Nasdaq's even higher than it was before. So I don't think you can justify the disparity through just, you know, hype and inflation of stocks. No, I don't think so. Short interest is not doing much on the day. It's down about 1%. I hope that makes sense. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're going to get a freaking correction and high growth is going to correct? Do you think Bionano is going to correct? What do you think? When I say correct, I mean correct upwards. Yeah, we need that correlation. Yeah. And once that happens, it's over, obviously. It's absolutely over. Bionano is going to do amazing. Okay? And I know I've said that so many times. But I think, here, predictions for tomorrow. Russell 3000, it should be, I don't know. Okay, I don't technically know. If you guys want, if anyone knows for sure, I wish someone knew for sure. But if we look at the FTSE, it's newly, here, I can memorize it off the top of my head. I don't even have to look at the website at this point. Okay, I've shown you already several times. The newly reconstituted indexes will take effect tomorrow after the close, and that's a quote. So does that mean they're buying shares after the close, or does that mean they're added in? And this is, I think it means that they're added at the close or after the close. They're buying shares right after the close. And I'll give you, just like the MSCI Index Edition. Do you guys remember that? That was about a month ago. That was like exactly a month ago, May 25th ish. I don't see it going anywhere till earnings. Why are so many people? You know, you guys could certainly be right, but I'm interested. Why? I've seen several people saying it doesn't. You don't think Bionano is going to go anywhere until earnings. I don't think that's right. You know, I mean, high growth goes up, Bionano is going to go way up. Like, right? If we get a correlation to the high growth goes back to the February 16th levels, you know, $10. You know what's going to happen. Also, what if we get some? What if they confirm the CLI lab? What if we got FDA? Or what if we got FDA approval? All right, some people have been speculating that's been in the works for a while. What if people start looking at the short interest? What if Wall Street Bet starts looking at Bionano? What if the NASDAQ continues going higher? I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of things that could send us back into $10 territory before earnings easily. Okay, and am I saying it's going to happen? No, but I definitely think there's a realistic possibility of that. Definitely holding 853 shares strong. Hell yeah, man! Diamond hands, diamond balls. If I sold, we would fly 100% the next day. Yeah, exactly. Guys, if you're thinking about selling, it's literally, if you sell, it's going to go 100% up the next day. I promise you. We need one of you guys to sell so we can, one person to take one for this team, man. No, I'm messing. Once the market gets its post-COVID legs, we will dominate. People are running around aimlessly, not knowing where to go. We would have an earnings run up, if anything. I don't think Eric is looking for FDA approval since it's not needed. You sell, Brandon. No. I'll tell you what. I'll sell my Roth IRA shares, the one in the baby account. I'll sell the baby account shares if it goes up, and then we can go up. I'll sell the 8 shares. I think it's 8 shares in there. 8. Eric, here's the case for FDA approval. The case is that it would be able to be used more in diagnostics. And I don't really know of any labs that are specifically not buying the Sapphire because it doesn't have FDA approval. I wish I was working with the institutions that are actually thinking about buying this stuff, but I just don't know. You know, if one of you guys work in a freaking clinic or an institution that uses Sapphires and sequencers, or you tell me, is that what are they going to be worried about that? You tell me. But at the end of the day, a lot of journalists say that that FDA approval would be big. I don't think, obviously you don't need it to, it still does exactly what it does, the same function with or without FDA approval, right? It's just a matter of, would that FDA approval make some people think of it more highly? I don't know. But this is factual. This is what we know for sure. We've got Richard Shippey and Al-Kachabi, the CMO, the CBO and the CMO. They both have FDA approval experience. We've brought them both on in the last, 8 months. Richard Shippey was 2 weeks ago now. So, have you all noticed how persistent Doge Wolf is in Weeble chat? I don't chat the Weeble chat. I don't think Pat Bio or Illumina have FDA approval for their machines either. Yeah, no, you're right. I know Pat Bio doesn't. I don't know if Illumina does. I don't think they do, but I could be wrong. FDA also approves drugs with awful side effects. They're not the end. Man, I can't type today. Yeah, I don't. As high as NASDAQ is, they are due for a crash. Well, if you think the NASDAQ is due for a crash, what are you doing here, man? Go join up with Peter Schiff. No, I like Peter Schiff. I actually am worried about a crash as well, but more of a heavy correction rather than a crash. Like 30% crash. I mean, I don't know. I could see that happening, but a crash is unlikely, though. To be honest with you. What do you all think of the spending plan? I didn't even look at the details. It's like $900 billion or something, though. Yeah, let's see what it is. Yeah. Oh my gosh, is it $1 trillion? Dude, how many spending plans are there? Make your own opinions. All right, all right. It's not necessarily good or bad, right? Make your own opinions. $1 trillion infrastructure plan. All right, what are they going to use this for? Let's see. Spending above expected federal levels. News. All right, Brandon, take a week off and meet some nice people. Some really good-looking people in your town. If I was your age, I would not be on YouTube tank topping and lifting weights. 19 years old is golden. There's generally 3 corrections per year. At least it's under $1 trillion. At least it's under $1 trillion. Oh man, wasn't there one that was like a 6 trillion or? Am I right? Was there one? So hold on a sec. I don't know. All right, let me go back here. All right. Hedgies are scrapping for pennies in BNGO for any kind of profit because retail investors dumb money crush them in big plays like AFC, JMIA. Yeah, definitely, I agree. Newsweek society sucks now. Dating app atmosphere sucks. You cannot meet genuine people anymore. I don't really go outside, so I'll do. And you know what, Newsweek, I'll get a girlfriend just for you. I'll get a girlfriend. Yeah, I'll get one. A month later, nope, still haven't got a girlfriend. Probably that's probably gonna happen. All right, I don't know why, but I think Brandon has another account where he trades other stocks. No, man, dude, these are. What are you talking about, dude? What do you do? I'm the only person. Hold on a second. You think I have a secret account trading and stuff that you guys don't know about? Bro, I'm the only one on YouTube that shows you all the accounts. Come on, I hope you're joking. That hurts my heart if you really think that. Man, I show you the portfolio every day. Show the portfolio every day, man. I'm in college, my friends. I don't have that much money. This is the account that I've got. This is it. My whole, all of this account, all of the YouTube, my YouTube chances, all this money, which is most of my money. Okay, that's most of my money. It's all on BNGO, man. There's a huge risk. You know, people ask me, why is BNGO, why are you not diversified? It's literally because I think that it's because, what do you call it? It's because I really believe, I really am, I think the risk-reward ratio makes sense. And I actually think there's not much, I don't think there's much risk. But there is though. I shouldn't say that on stream. I have an obligation to tell you all how risky it is. And it's true that it is risky. It's risky as hell, man. We could see $5 again, which is why I have so much buying power ready for the damn crash, dude. Dude, market corrects. This thing is going to go down to $6 or at least, okay, if not $5 or $4. I'm tripling my position. I don't know what you're doing, but I'm hoping for the day that we freaking go down that much, man. That's as simple as it gets. All right, let me get over here. The Wolf of Sapphire Street is in the house. Good, you are a tall, good-looking guy. Go get them. Oh, man. The question is, what causes the break in all those speculative stocks with the EVs? Another paid article to bash our BNGO that said BNGOs are overvalued. Yeah, are you talking about this one? Yeah, this is a shit article. This is a shit article right here. We already went over that earlier. I'll go over it again if you want, but we've got about 20 minutes to the close, so we'll be over here. All right. No, I'm not saying it will go down. Get yourself a nice gold there when BNGO makes you rich. Oh, man. Saw you in the gay chat room. Howard, why are you always with the gay chat room stuff, man? How would you know what the gay chat room is like, dude? Gay. Not that there's anything wrong with as if there's anything wrong with being gay. Howard's the one that said gay, not me. All right, blame Howard. Be mad at Howard, not me. Can't trust any mainstream media, just like politics. I only care about the price after December 31. Right, because you're going to sell 100,000 shares. Hey, everybody, don't let Newsweek sell 100,000 shares. Tell them, everybody tell Newsweek, tell Mark to not sell. Tell him if he sells, we're going to go and sabotage his roofing company. Mark, you better not sell. No, I'm kidding. I know, he already said he's going to sell. He wants to do some nice stuff for his family or something, but yeah. All right, Brandon, our stock is not going up. Hold on. I gotta read these other ones. You heard it here first. BNGO is going to zero. You heard it here first. BNGO is going to zero. Bitcoin. They do. Bitcoin is the one. Bitcoin is the one. What the hell, man? This is insanity. This thing is really about to start going back into bull market without me, maybe. I hope it doesn't. I really want Bitcoin to crash. If this thing hits 20K like trades told, oh man, I can't wait for that. Hopefully by then I'll have read the entire Bitcoin original papers. I still have not read that. Again, I talk about it like every day. I never continue reading them. All right. Try to convince him what. Oh yeah, we did, Aaron. We did. That's right. Aaron Dennis is the guy. Hey, Aaron Dennis in the chat. He's the guy that was with us, with me and Mark Newsweek and I in the interview. That's him, Aaron Dennis. He showed up randomly in the library. It was awesome. It sounds weird, but it was actually awesome. He's a really cool guy. All right, Howard always says funny shit, but it's sus. All right. Hey, broomstick. Oh God, you're cutting out. What do you mean? Watch. I'm gonna go roll a blunt and get ready for the close. BNGO and Oxygen 2 to fucking moon. He has to sell to. He has to sell to covered. He has to sell to cover his puts on Oxygen. Yeah, Mark is getting. Yeah, I did see some people going off on Mark about his puts on Oxygen. It's up 6% today. It looks like this will not go under 7. It already went under 7 this week. I hope you're right. I hope you're right. Well, I do and I don't. At the end of the day, I'm gonna probably make more money if it does go way down, but we'll see. All right. Wi-Fi puts. What are you talking about? We don't have Wi-Fi puts. What do you mean? What do you mean? Great interview, like the format sitting on the couch. We need follow-up ones. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. What do you call it? That reminds me. I got a freaking a news outlet asked for my information, which is interesting because I told them about it like a day before the interview happened, asking if they wanted to cover it. Mark is gone now. We can't. It's not like we can just do another one. But hopefully they'll take me instead. Hopefully they'll take just me as a replacement, right? A holder of 1,000 shares, right? Oh, probably not. Who knows? Hey, maybe they will. YouTuber about stocks. They like that stuff. Maybe you'll see me on the news tomorrow. All right. Wall Street bets. What about them? BlackBerry. NNDM beat BNGO today too. Well, right now, so far, yeah. Come on, we got 17 minutes. We'll see how we close. But at the end of the day, hey guys, you have to remember, in days like these, I'm starting to see a little bit of that panic in the chat, and it's fine, right? Panic if you all want, but oh man, we have the funniest community. I swear to God. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, okay. The stock price is not the company. The company's fundamental value is not the stock price. If the company's fundamental value was the stock price, I think we would be above $10. Okay, simple as it gets, man. That's as simple as it gets. All right. Oh, earnings for BlackBerry. Yeah. Send them the video. What? Okay. Okay, I'll send them the video. Okay, cool. I'll ask. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, we could do like a follow-up, an introduction, and interview with just me, and then we can also have them play bits and pieces of the actual interview itself. Horrible quality, but maybe they'll do it. That's not a bad idea. I'll bring that up. I'll do that. We would get there. It might squeeze BlackBerry. You're saying BlackBerry, huh, Marcus? BlackBerry guy. This thing's at $12 now. Oh, I don't like that. Wow, that's very weird. What the hell? What kind of price action is that? Just completely ignores the 21 SMA. That's very rare. It's not unknown. That's very rare though. You are oversold though. Look at that. Okay, there you go. There you go. You're oversold. BlackBerry is oversold. Not a bad buying opportunity. Marcus, are you telling me I should YOLO in? YOLO, baby. Oh, let's go. Buy. No, I'm kidding. I'll probably fake some people out right there. I will do YOLOs. You guys think I'm messing around? I will YOLO. As if the channel ever were to get successful, I'm very thankful for what we have right now. But if it were to ever actually get successful, you know what I mean? I'll YOLO in. I'll YOLO in whatever stocks you guys want. Yeah, swing trade for the earnings. Yeah, Marcus, you think the earnings is going to be good, huh? You think it's going to be good? You think it's worth the risk? Oh, man. Story assemble big changes in the market from the power of the people interacting. Yeah. Yeah, man. What? The stock going up based on earnings gives the stock the best support, not based on speculation about ARC or a takeover. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah. Brand check Fintel new TUTES. Whoa, are you serious? You better not be messing with me. You are messing with me. There's no way. Did we finally get a new filing? We haven't got one of these, and so we haven't got anything important as far as the 13Fs and MP filings in forever. Oh no, the Wi-Fi's not working. Come on, man. Does anyone know how I can get better Wi-Fi? I'm already connected to Ethernet. I bought the Ethernet cable. It was good for about 2 weeks. Okay, I think it just decreased. Did it just decrease? No, wait, what was it before? Well, hey, somebody tell me what the institutional ownership was before. It was 15.58? I think we have institutions adding here. So we have 4 filings right now. Yes, okay, we finally got news. We can finally talk about something good. Actually, you know what? Should we talk about these after? You know what? Let's talk about these after. Let's talk about these after the market close. We're going to talk about those, all right? Did you guys like the title of the stream, by the way? New TUTES getting in. New 13F filings. All right, done. That'll work. We'll go over that in a little bit, so I can keep you here because I know everybody wants to leave. I would too. If I look at my big ass forehead all day. All right, Brandon, your channel will be successful just a matter of time. Oh, thank you, man. That means a lot. New TUTES, yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, and they added. Okay, spoiler alert. If anyone didn't catch that already, they're adding shares. And what the? Wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. What? This is a glitch. This is a glitch. Look at the average share price. What? I'm so confused. Their average is $22? What? Is this a... What? Hold on. The average share price is $22. Bro, this is a glitch. I mean, Fintel does make mistakes. They've made mistakes before, but what the heck, man? It's the future, Brandon. Yeah. Should I go ahead and title it like that? New institutional average $22 the future. somebody tell me a good title to name for that. I'll name the stream that. Mark my words. You think I'm messing around? Does that mean BNGO will reach 22? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. They know something we don't. They bought at $22. Yep. Confirmed. This is legit, right? Remember that meme on the Discord? Do we have any OGs that remember the ARK stream where I wrote in BNGO in the ads for ARK Invest? It's like one of those moments. This is legit. This is legit. Oh man. Oh. So many good news on BNGO, but the share price still goes down. Why is that? Manipulation, neglect of news, ignorance, stupidity, and people like Robbie Smith. Yep. YOLO. Yes, ARK stream was hilarious. Robbie was there. That was amazing. I think that was my favorite stream we've ever done. I think that was the funniest thing. Oh my god! I hope you all enjoyed that as much as I did. And it's so funny because the basic idea of streaming the ARK Invest thing, it's like I literally just have to refresh the freaking ARK news, ARK trade page literally every 5 minutes, and that's it. I don't know. Legend. The Boomstick and all the OGs that were there are legends for it. I miss Robbie. Yeah, I miss the May 13th days. I wish I would have sold my kidney and bought at 4:30. Why has the volume dropped off so much in these last few weeks? Can we expect a larger volume on Monday with the inclusion of the Russell? Yes, we can, but not for sure. We can. I would say it's more likely that we get big volume here. Yeah. After the market closed tomorrow and on the 28th Monday, yeah, there's probably going to be bigger volume. Yeah. Brandon win Lambo. Tomorrow, let's go YOLO in. No, I wish. Oh, look at that sporadic movement right there. When do you see that, right? Sporadic movement, right? That's what we call it when Bionano goes up 2 cents because we literally are used to 0 cents. We just go barcoding. How funny would it be if we got one day where it literally just barcoded the entire day and just went sideways the entire day? I mean, that's essentially what we're getting right now, but we're just going down in small increments. So it's just as boring, but it's not as funny. A ton of shares just bought at the ask there. It takes so many shares to go up 1 cent. It takes so many. It's not even funny. I mean, it is, but it's not. Look how much buying there is, and it's like any selling at all. Then we drop. Like, oh my god. Whatever. Hey, short term, whatever. Short term doesn't matter. Midterm, long term, fundamentals is all that matters. Remember that. Remember that, boys and girls. Low volume is dangerous. Can be. All right. Let me ask you something. Is Russell better than NASDAQ? And if it's not, how would it make us better? Are you talking about, like, would you rather get included in the NASDAQ than the Russell? I don't think we're going to get included in the NASDAQ anytime soon. So technically the NASDAQ would be better. Anyways, every analyst says it's worth $14 easy double. Yes, exactly. And we've got 9 minutes till the close, everybody. And we've got new filings. If anyone's wondering why the stream title is so different than the stream content, it's because we're going to go over these right after the close. We basically have new TUTES loading the boat on BNGO, as simple as it gets, my friend. And we have a glitch as well, which is just fun. We actually have institutions predicting the future with an average share price of $22, which is literally impossible because Bionano has never hit $20. Its max is $15.69. That's the all-time high. So it's interesting. Yeah, we also have a 29K wall. Yeah, we have fake walls. We have fake walls. You guys don't know what a fake wall is? Yeah, here you go. You came to the right place. You want to know what damn manipulation is? Boom, there you go. I hate them. Brandon, I'm more of a Columbia guy, not Springfield. Yeah, I don't blame you. Down in misery, yeah, I don't blame you, my friend. But anyone just getting in here right now, short interest is about the same on the day. High goes going down, and we have news. We have a freaking acquisition. We have acquisition evidence. We have crappy articles. We have this thing. We also have a new Sapphire adoption. Let's zoom way in. Oh, my gosh. There we go. And, yeah, this is the acquisition evidence. And we have new filings. We have institutions loading the boat on Bionano, and they're literally predicting the future with a $22 share price. They're predicting the future. They bought in. They're actually from the future. And they came back, and this is such a good price in the future. They're doing it now. Yeah, this is legit. That's totally confirmed. All right. Yeah, I know. If you see manipulation. Here's the thing, guys. Do you think it's a coincidence that we see two shit articles? One today, one yesterday? No. Guys, they're trying to spread that damn FUD because they knew the NASDAQ closed at all-time highs a couple days ago. They know Russell 3000 inclusion is happening. They know a lot of stuff that we don't, and they know they're going to get screwed over if they don't get the freaking volume lower, which they've done a good job in. They've done a great job in getting the volume lower so far. Yesterday was literally, oh my God, look at this. Anyways, yesterday's volume was the worst volume. Listen to this, okay? You're not going to believe me, but this is true. I can prove it. Worst volume all year yesterday. I promise you. I can show you. It's serious. You have like the Joker lol. I used to have like 7 different laughs, and I still do, but I think I do pretty much. I'm pretty consistent on the type of laugh that I do now. Yeah, but it sounds like I'm insane. Yeah, it makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, it makes me sad. I think they're trying to push it under 7 before close tomorrow. Yeah, the freaking TUTES, guys, and here's another theory that we haven't really talked about. I mean, we've talked about this a little bit, but institutions and Russell 3000, the guys over there, they want the price to go down so they can get those cheap shares after the market closes tomorrow. It would make sense getting your cheap shares. It would make very much sense. It makes sense why they're also paying off those damn journalists to write just total crap, literally. Let's go squeeze $15 to $20 next week. All right, I'm in. Do we need to YOLO in at the ask? $6,000 or how many can I do? $8,000? How much can I day trade? Dang it, I can only buy 1,000 shares for a day trade on Bionano. Dang it. So what was the real average price my stream died? It's $22. It's not real. It's not. Well, it's from the future, man. It's legit. I told you, it's legit. It's legit. $22 a share, man. They're from the future. I'm telling you. Look at that. Not really. But yeah, I mean, maybe. Okay, for all we know, maybe, right? But no, seriously, it's probably just Fintel making a mistake. They're stupid sometimes. So, but nonetheless, we have new institutions adding positions, adding shares. This is a new position, right? Green rows mean new positions. That's why there's no share change percentage or change percentage in value. Yeah. 717 right now. Volume is horrible. Volume is horse shit. There are plants with a genome length of 1,000 of some million mega base pairs. Hello, Sapphire. Yeah. I have 2 million sitting on the side waiting for squeeze. Wait, how many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6? 2 million. 2 million then. You have 2 million sitting on the side waiting for squeeze. Imagine we go to 17.5. I'll YOLO in. I'm telling you guys think I'm joking. I promise you I'm not. If the channel does well. Let's say the channel were to get double the amount of views on average than it gets right now. I will YOLO in. I will YOLO in with a substantial amount of shares. And if the channel actually did like very well, like freaking like most of the YouTubers, right? Or a lot of other ones, dude, we're YOLOing in thousands of shares, if not 10. We're gonna have 10,000 shares in a couple months. Okay, I'm serious. Okay, that's my promise to you. I will YOLO in, and that's why you want this channel to do well, so you can see the stream titled "YOLOing in BNGO shares" right now, or whatever it is. 10,000 BNGO shares YOLOing in. And I told you I was serious when I would make BNGO 100% of the portfolio. I was serious when I told you I would continue streaming on the red days and green days. Okay, here we are, May 13th. We still stream through all that shit. Here we are. We got a 100% portfolio BNGO, and we still got buying power ready. I'm ready to freaking YOLO it in. All right. Newsweek, give Brandon 100K already so he can make real dollars. You know you want to. You should buy at least 10 shares a day. You don't want to end up buying everything at much higher prices. Yes, I will. I will buy 10 shares every day once the market potential headwinds are gone, because I do think there's a realistic chance the market screws everybody over. Once those risks are down, then I'm freaking yeah. Then we're in. Buying pressure coming in, sales coming in. Well, technically sales, right? Every buyer has a seller, right? That's how every transaction is done. It should be Yodo. You only die once. Yeah, that's kind of true. If you want double listeners, include NNDM. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do plus. I'll add in on the stream title plus NNDM for nerds. I'm just being funny. Let's see if any pissed off Nano Dimension fans come in here. Oh man, let's rob that Mark guy's portfolio. Let's rob him. What are we gonna do? What? Man, that's our biggest whale. That's our biggest portfolio holder. You want to rob him? Oh, you guys are too funny. I swear to God, you guys are too funny. All right. 1 minute and 30 seconds until the close here. I bought 200 shares of BNGO. I hope it goes out tomorrow. I hope you know what you're doing. But hell yeah, man. What's my price target for BNGO? Price target is about $15 to $20 end of year. $17.5, $20 likely case. I think. Yeah, I think so. All right. I never denied that I am crazy. All righty. Yeah, here we go. 1 minute till the close. What do y'all think? Buys or sells at the close? Do we have any Nano Dimension people in here? Nano Dimension sucks. It's going to zero. Not really. I mean, it definitely could, I guess. But what is insanity is that it's valued higher in BNGO right now. Let's see. Are we ever... Do you think we'll ever... Never mind. All right, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Here we go. Got my dad to cop 200 shares this morning. When we were green? No, when we were green, no. Oh, man. Well, hey, better not. Hey, anything under $10 long-term steal. Brand, you always say there's a buy and a sell in every transaction when there are outstanding shares sitting there to be sold. Well, if you're going to sell a share, unless it's fake shares. But yeah, there has to be a buyer and a seller in every transaction, yeah. Somebody has to be giving you the shares, otherwise they're not there, right? All right. NNDM is beating BNGO every day. Yeah, okay. All right, yeah, we're about to get buys. Oh my gosh, yeah, sells right before the close, and then usually when that happens, there's buys at the close. Let's see. Oh. Come on, load. Is it going to be sells all the way around? No, it is. Wow. That's the first time that's happened. Has anyone else picked up on this pattern? Every single day before today, if there was sells right before the close, right before 1600, then there's buys, and it's the opposite. Today, it was all sells. Wow. All right, let's see how many shares there is here. This is rough math. What you're about to see is very rough math. Okay, 10,000, 15,000-ish. Not more than 200,000. Not more than 200,000. So basically, not that many. Not that many. Okay, yeah, here we go. Let's go over the filings. Okay, here we go. This is what everyone wants to see. Okay, so the filings right here. So we got 3 new fund. It looks like they're the same fund almost. Looks like the Alpha Dex fund. Okay, let's go ahead and check these guys out here. All right, so we have new positions. Let's check the effective date. So they bought these on the 30th of April. Okay, so their real average price, 30th of April. Their real average price is probably around $6. It's saying $22, but obviously Bionano has never hit $22, so I don't know. I think that's a mistake. So $6 looks like their average price. In total, you're looking at about 500,000 shares. A little bit higher than 500,000 shares. And these are all new positions for the first time. That's why there's no share change percentage or value change percentage. And then portfolio allocation is not even 1% for any of these, I'm guessing. First Trust, Small Cap Growth, Alpha Dex Fund. Let's check the portfolio allocations here. And I do have Premium Fintel. You are welcome. The effective dates are all going to be the same, it looks like. Okay, so these guys' real average price is going to be around $6, looks like. Look at that. Okay, portfolio allocation getting close to 1% there. Obviously, you want the allocation to be much higher. That you want it to be 1%. Okay, that would be awesome if you get 1%. But all right, there you go. There's the filings. And institutional ownership increased by like, I don't know what it was exactly. I think it was by like 0.10 or 0.20%. It was at like 15.5 something. So it did increase a very slight amount. Wait, what? It was 15.8? Wait, really? Was it? Was that what it was? I don't remember exactly what it was. It should be higher now, though, obviously, because we got 3 new buys. These are shares being bought for the first time. It was 15.8. Okay. I thought it was 15.5. Well, that doesn't make sense. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this whole thing is wrong. I wouldn't be surprised if this whole thing is wrong because you get the average share price, which is way wrong, and you have buying, yet the institutional ownership in total goes down. So I don't know what they're screwing up here, but Fintel does not do this often. So a lot of questions right now. A lot of questions right now. Russell 3000 mirror. I don't know. Is it? Let's look it up. Let's look it up real quick. Okay. Invest in growth stocks of companies across diversified market capitalization within the market capitalization range of these indexes. So it basically just fully replicates the NASDAQ Alpha Dex right here. So this is what we actually need to look up. Growth stocks, I'm guessing. Select stocks from the NASDAQ family, okay. By ranking stocks in the index family mentioned above separately on growth. Okay, yada yada. You guys probably don't care enough for that. Okay, but anyways, yeah. I don't know though. I don't know. I'm not. No. It was not. No. Sorry. Whoever said that, do they have a Russell 3000 as a benchmark? No. Sorry, I just remember something. Sorry, I'm stupid. The effect, guys, remember, you have to remember the filing day is non-indicative of the transaction day. These were effective on freaking April 30th. That's why I said the average share price was $6, okay? That doesn't matter. These guys are not, we did not know about the Russell 3000 inclusion when these guys had bought their shares already. So yeah, no, there's no chance. No chance for that, unfortunately. But yeah, they did buy on April 30th, which the price was about $6. That's their average price, if it's right. Okay, now there's a lot of questions surrounding this because the institutional ownership went down. There's 3 new filings with them buying hundreds of thousands of shares. So it's like, what the heck? Yeah, and the average share price is 22. So, did it just refresh? Okay, no. What? Now there's a new one. What is going on here? We have a new one. We just got a new one. Okay, we have a new one. All right, that's a first update, refresh something, and then there's a new freaking one right here. Literally not 1 minute ago, this was not here. Okay, so the Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. Oh, I hate the total market index funds. They added. Okay, does it look? Share change percentage is 0. Why is this a filing then? If they already had 60,000 shares, dude, there's so many questions today. What is going on today? They literally have the exact amount of shares that they had before. What is going on? What? This makes 0 sense. Fintel, I think Fintel is seizuring right now. This makes 0 sense, and the institutional ownership is the same. Yeah, this is just hopefully they fix this by the time we come out when I make the video later tonight, because this is not right. This is not right. There shouldn't, if there's no, listen, guys, the only reason why these black filings are here is because there's a change in the share percentage, or they're getting a call or a put or something, okay? There is zero. They have the exact amount of shares they have right now as they did literally 3 months ago and at the start of the year. This makes no sense. They're manipulating. Yeah, they're manipulating. What is going on right now, man? This is insanity. How many mistakes can Fintel make? This is unheard of. I've never seen Fintel make this many mistakes. I've seen them make a mistake before, but only one or two. This is crazy. I mean, they're screwing up the entire count here, and they've got 4 filings that don't make any sense. What the heck is going on? Somebody explain to me if you understand this, but I don't understand this. This is a mistake here. We've got mistakes here. NNDM for nerds. Oh, man, $20 after manipulation. Okay, so let's go ahead and sum up the day before we lose all the viewers. Okay, so basically we had a Sapphire adoption today, right? And you can watch the videos. We already did videos on this on the channel. New Sapphire adoption today, right? This was posted yesterday. Or I guess, yeah, technically yesterday. 5 days ago, we have the Director of Business Systems. Basically, Bionano will maybe, will 100%. According to this, okay, this could be wrong. Make your own decisions. They will be acquiring a company at some time based on this. And we also have new filings, which is just, an enigma. And we have shitty articles, and we have boring price action, and that's the day. And with that being said, I'll show you the portfolio for all the people that don't care about about the last-minute questions here that we do. There's a portfolio, 100% BNGO. I'm serious. You call me a madman, call me crazy. I'm not going to deny them. I wear those with pride. Yes. So yeah. All right, there we go. Thank you all so much, man. See everyone that's last minute. We're going to take last minute questions here, and then we're out of here. All right. I'm sorry, but I don't believe BNGO is worth anything, bud. Are you joking, my friend? I've seen you on the channel before. Are you joking? That hurts my soul if you say that, because the stock price has gone down. Because that's exactly what people said on May 13th, and then they got burned. But hey, make your own decision. If you need to sell now, sell now. All right. Any idea how much the volume will pick up after being added? No idea. It could be, we could be talking about tens of million shares being bought, BNGO, or millions, or hundreds of millions. There's no way that's gonna happen. But yeah, realistically, tens of millions or millions probably of shares. Yeah. We should break down your DD in conversational video format. Yeah, I've been meaning to do a what do you call it? Wacko is Robbie. How do you Waco? Wacko? I don't know. W is Robbie on Weeble chat. Is it 20% shorted yet? Almost. We're almost there. We're at 19% right now. All right. Well, no, shares outstanding. The total numbers of shares outstanding is just the that's just the total amount of shares available for the institutions, insiders, and everyone. That's the amount of shares that have been issued. So, I mean, unless they're getting unless it's like some special transaction, no, there's always going to be a buyer and a seller, to my understanding. All right. As long as Vanguard and BlackRock hold over millions of shares, believe in the stock. I hope that's not. I mean, that's fine if that's your reason to hold, but that's not my reason to hold. Okay, if they sold out tomorrow, I would not care one bit. I am in it for the company's product and the revenue expanses and the market penetrations. That's it. Not it's not the hedges. I'm not in it for the hedges confidence. Hell no. All right. Too many weak investors. Shorts love them. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Brandon, feels like it's been deja vu this week. This feels staged. I know it's because it is. Spoiler, right? Yeah, it is. It is staged. They're doing what they can. They want the price to go down. All right, last minute questions. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's end the stream. Let's get out of here. I don't want to waste any more time. Enjoy your night, everybody. We had another unexciting day. We were down 1%, right? Yeah, 1%. Another boring day. Microvision ended the day up doing 0. That's nice. My price prediction is same thing as it's always been. I said it every day this week, and I've been wrong most days this week. But I guess not really today, kind of, because it's half and half. But yeah, if high growth goes up tomorrow, Bionano will outperform, I think. I think there's a high chance of that happening. It's been wrong most of the time, but, Every day that we continue to do shit when the markets continue to go and rally and we get good news and no one knows about it, the better and more auspicious it gets at whatever price it's already gone down to, I think, if that makes sense. Plus, remember that NASDAQ correlation, high growth correlation, NASDAQ valuation thing? Remember that? That's important as well. Squeeze, I saw this word so many times, it's still possible. What should I read to understand about the rationale and squeezing? Well, basically, all you need to know is there's a high short outstanding, short interest. They're already in the red. Even right now, a lot of them are in the red. And if we were to get some parabolic moves, not parabolic, but if we were to get some aggressive bullish price action, squeeze is still on the table. But we need to go up. You have to go up to get a squeeze, okay? They're not just going to instantly... There's not going to be a short squeeze if you continue to go down. You have to go up and force the shorts to actually cover. But it's totally possible right now, I believe. It's totally possible. Maybe not right now, but for in the future, it's certainly possible, right? Short term, yeah, definitely. Just got here, could you explain the short? So the 13Fs, right? Basically, we got 4 new filings today. None of them make sense. These are mistakes, unless they just fix them. No, they did not. So Fintel is glitching out right now. Fintel, the institutional ownership went down, although the filings are actually institutions getting more shares. And also, if you look right here, average price is $22, and this is just not right. Okay, there's a 0% chance that funds bought this many shares at $22 a share. 1, because they would never buy it there. Also, 2, because we've never been there. The stop price's peak is $15.69. So these are mistakes, and this one, there's no change percentage, so this one shouldn't even be a filing. So it's very confusing. Fintel's having problems right now. These filings, right now, we don't know anything right now. These could all be mistakes. I don't know what they're doing. They're screwing up. All right, anyways. 5th next week, my payday. Buying more shares. Hope this stays around 7. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Hey, make your own decision. Make sure you guys make your own decision, and do not invest in Bionano if you do not understand the risks. When you invest or hodl right now, you are in a war with the manipulators and the shorts. That's all it is right now. Short term. Okay, fundamentally, yes, we get a catalyst that sends us up 1,000%. Yes, if you do sell, yes, we probably will go up 100% the next day. So I don't recommend doing that. Fundamentally, if my fundamental analysis is right about the company, yeah, we're going to moon long term, or even this year, by end of year, $15 minimum, most likely, if not higher than that. But there's still risks. I could be wrong. So that's why you have to do your own research. That's one of the reasons why. All right. Do you think the chart still looks bullish? Matthew in the red curly on the daily. No, it's not bullish. No, not really. No, I mean, pretty well. There are bullish things about it, but the biggest thing is we close below the 21 SMA right now, and it's it's not unheard of that I've seen this happen before, where you just hug the 21 SMA and you just go back and forth for a couple of days, maybe even weeks, and then you go up higher, and then you get like a very delayed support bounce. But it's not likely. It's more likely that this is actually, well, I don't think it's more likely that we go down from here, but this indicator would say, if you were to look at this one indicator, you would say that it's more likely to go down from here. But you have to know the context of the fundamentals and the news and the Russell, which is, yeah. All right, Wall Street Bets wants nothing to do with us. All right, thank y'all so much, man. All right, I end it with the portfolio. If there's no other questions, I'll give you about 10, 20 seconds here to ask last minute questions, then we're out of here. Thank y'all so much. All right. Yeah, the math is wrong. Yeah. The math is wrong on them. Yeah. All right, man. Thank y'all so much. It's not financial advice. There's the portfolio. Bionano 100%. Hell yeah, to the moon. Anyways, that being said, this is not financial advice. I will see y'all. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.